Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.
Been about 3 of these guys go by this morning. They're taking off from the airport over there. They'll come back by and I'll have the camera ready this time. There's our camp. There's the moon way up there. Camp, we went through 2 days of pretty serious wind. We kind of made it through it. Not serious damage. We'll raise the flag back up today since there's no wind. Because we've had one of those poles snap before in the wind, so.
Alan made me a new shelf for my camera and my iPads, and he's even putting a little outlet in it so that I can plug the batteries for my camera in. And this will go right up over the seat where I sit. Love the new cabinet Alan made me for my camera kit and my iPad and phones. He wrapped the columns for the cats so they'll quit using the vinyl for scratching posts. And my workspace table is going to be going right in here with a piano hinge to lift up so we can get to the garbage can. So this is my workspace tabletop that Alan had made for me, and there's a place to put my cup of coffee so it won't tip over. And he just drilled a hole to put the cord up through and added a piano hinge so it will be mounted to the wall and can be lifted to access the garbage can. It's doing another fun project for my work area. It's a storage box I can use for storing supplies and shoes and whatever I need to right next to my chair. It'll have a lid so it makes the area fully functional and usable for multiple uses. And it uses up some valuable real estate for storage. And this is what the completed workstation looks like. It's got my table, the box for storage atop, and my shelf for my camera unit. And our friends with homeschool life are actually putting in a whole new kitchen, bunk beds for their kids. We're going to have pretty near a whole new build. Hi, Stephanie! Our friends Andrew and Heather, and they're with Road Sweet Home. And Alan came down and helped them out.
We had 2 fuel leaks, and he and Travis of homeschooling had looked over everything with us, and we'd gotten the right parts a while back. But finally, we were all in the same place for a time and not super busy. Alan's always helping other people out. And he came down and helped us learn how to change the fuel lines out.
Awesome.
They also recommended we do a fuel filter change too, so we changed the fuel filter out too. And this is new to us, so.
Learning maintenance is important when you're living on the road.
For sure.
Andrew, what do you want to add? Sounds like you got it all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have this little gap between where our microwave goes and where the bird cage is, and the top of the bird cage storage. And Alan's going to build me a narrow cabinet to put our paper plates and soup mugs and things in for extra storage. Alan's scribing the board to fit the curvature of the bus. And this is the tabletop that he made for me. It was a sheet of birch plywood that had this beautiful grain on it, and then he etched it in oak, and it's been rubbed down with walnut oil, and then we'll be sealing it with a walnut oil and beeswax finish. So it'll have an all-natural finish. I'm melting beeswax and walnut oil together over a double boiler to use as the polish for our new kitchen table. So everything's food safe and healthy. So this is the beeswax and walnut oil that I heated up in a double boiler and let it solidify. And then we're rubbing it in to our tabletop, and it is making a beautiful finish. Not bad for a piece of plywood, and the design in this reminds me of a river.
There you go. So now you can see now it's looking good.
And this way, anytime it starts to look dull or weathered or whatever, all I have to do is rub some more of the beeswax and walnut oil into it to refresh it. You won't have to strip it down or anything, and it's food safe. So if we serve food on the tabletop, it's not like you.
Kids want to lick their fingers when they pick up stuff they drop on the table. They can do it. But anyhow, so she will put 4 to 5 coats of that on it. It's kind of a build-up thing, and then it'll kind of harden a little and protect the wood finish, and it'll bring out all the grains, and then that kind of like the rivery thing. So it's a nice piece of wood.
Well, time's getting short, and we gotta go, so we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And remember to hit the bell for notifications. Bye.